Welcome everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar and today I am going to present the research paper which is named as Comparative Analysis of Soil and Water Samples from 4 tehsils of Kolhapur district, Maharashtra phase 1. In the present geological study, soil and water samples were collected from 4 tehsils which are Pannala, Shavadi, Kadimaz and Chandigarh. And then these soil samples were analyzed on the basis of different parameters like pH, organic matter, percentage of carbon, types of rock, depth, soil water holding capacity, turbidity, dissolved oxygen. Soil and water samples were collected and analyzed as a part of preparation of TBR report as the occurrence and diversity of flora and fauna, as the fauna is affected by the inorganic factors of the environment. This is the list of villages where we had visited. This is the Gadingwals Tehsil, Chandigarh Tehsil, Pannala and Shavadi. In methodology, the parameters like depth, types of rock, turbidity and temperature were studied directly in the field, while for the remaining parameters, the soil samples were brought to and analyzed in the laboratory. The results are following charts 1 to 4 show carbon percentage and organic matter content of soil samples collected and analyzed from all the 4 tehsils of Kolhapur district. In this slide you can see that the carbon percentage and organic content of the tehsil Shavadi. This slide is also about carbon percentage and organic content of tehsil Pannala. This is also graphical representation of carbon percentage and organic content of tehsil Gadingwals, and this is the graphical representation of carbon percentage and organic content of Chandigarh. Then next one is following charts 5 to 7 show texture of soil samples collected and analyzed from all the 4 tehsils of Kolhapur district. This is the graphical representation of texture of the tehsil Shavadi, and this is also graphical representation of texture representing tehsil Chandigarh. And this is the third one, which is textural graphical representation of tehsil Pannala. And again third one is following observation tables number 1 to 4 show pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen and turbidity of water samples collected and analyzed from all the 4 tehsils of Kolhapur district. And these are the localities where we had visited. The first one chart is representing Pannala tehsil and second one is representing Chandigarh, and third one is Shavadi and fourth one is Gadingwals. Then from 4 tehsils in the present study, lateritic soil was collected from open grasslands and forests. Majority number of soil samples show loamy texture with mixture of gravel, coarse sand, fine sand, silt, clay. Gravel and coarse sediment content is more because the finer material is carried down slope over a longer distance. The finer material is carried downstream by rainwater under the force of gravity. Regarding carbon content, most of the carbon is present in the top portion of the lateritic soil and is lost due to the process of erosion. Organic matter is a lateritic soil is due to the vegetation. Dissolved oxygen is normal in samples from Gadingwals and Chandigarh, which is ranges from 6.20 to 6.48 mg per liter, while Shavadi shows dissolved oxygen range from 5.10 to 6.89 mg per liter. Most of the samples show normal dissolved oxygen, while some areas are slightly polluted. In samples collected from Pannala, dissolved oxygen ranges from 2.27 to 11.29 mg per liter. A lowest dissolved oxygen of 2.27 mg liter has been analyzed from Kekle region, and maximum dissolved oxygen which is from Kisarur 11.29 mg per liter. Water holding capacity ranges from 62% to 76%, and pH values range from 5.6 to 5 to 6.5 throughout the 4 tehsils under the study. Water quality sampling and testing allows us to establish baseline values, ultimately increasing the knowledge and understanding the specific issues in the area. The present collaborative study is a part of biodiversity study for People's Biodiversity Register sanctioned by Biodiversity Board, Government of Maharashtra. So I would like to thank the President and members of NGO Anand Shaikshanik Samajik Sevabhagi Sanstha, Kaljavade, Panmala for funding the work. We also thank our respected Principal Dr. A.S. Khemnar sir for granting permission to utilize the facilities in the college. This is a list of references, and this is our team. Thank you.